In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to QuickBooks. We're going to walk through the full setup process inside QuickBooks so you can link your Stripe account and start syncing transaction data more efficiently. This can save time on bookkeeping and help keep your records more organized, especially if you process payments through Stripe on a regular basis. To get started, open QuickBooks and make sure you're signed in to the correct company account. Once you're on the main QuickBooks dashboard, look for the integration section in the navigation area. This is where QuickBooks lets you connect third-party tools and services that work with your accounting workflow. After you click Integrations, choose Explore Integrations. This will open the QuickBooks App Marketplace where you can browse and search for available connections. In the search bar, type Stripe. You should then see an option called Stripe Connector by QuickBooks. Go ahead and click that result to open the integration details page. On that page, select Get Integration Now. QuickBooks will then guide you through the authorization process. At this stage, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully, since this is where the two platforms begin establishing the connection. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your Stripe account so you can grant QuickBooks permission to access the necessary data. This is a normal part of the setup and allows the sync to work properly. Make sure you're signing in to the Stripe account you actually want connected, especially if you manage more than one account. Once access has been granted, you'll move on to the configuration settings. This part is important because it determines how your Stripe activity will appear in QuickBooks. You'll need to choose your Stripe deposit account, which tells QuickBooks where the incoming Stripe funds should be recorded. You'll also select the date you want to begin syncing past transactions. If you only want to bring in recent activity, choose a more recent start date. If you need historical data, make sure the date reflects that before continuing. After reviewing your settings, select Sync Now to pull your data into QuickBooks. Depending on how much transaction history you're importing, this may take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once the sync finishes, your Stripe data should begin appearing in QuickBooks based on the settings you selected. That's how to connect Stripe to QuickBooks. If you're following along, take your time during the setup so everything is mapped correctly from the start.